Today I'm going to set up my BenQ Laptop Bar. This compact LED light is perfect for laptops because it's extremely portable and easy to use. So let's take a closer look to see what this thing does. I've used other BenQ light bars in the past and curious to see how this one compares. This is the power module and it's very sleek looking, about the size of a small remote control. And this is the light bar and it has to be used in conjunction with the power pack. Total width of this bar is about 9¼ inches. Both parts attach magnetically, so it's very easy to set up. Simply place the parts together. And here you see the light just powered on. The power module is pretty minimalistic, except for a battery level meter and USB-C charging port on the side. It also has a fold-out arm to allow more adjustment and positioning of the light bar. It also comes with a cleaning cloth and 2 magnetic patches. These patches come in dark gray or silver to match the color of your laptop. These are necessary to attach the light bar to the computer. It simply sticks onto the back of the screen towards the top. Attaching the BenQ Laptop Bar is as easy as touching it to the magnetic disc. And it holds in place securely because the magnet is really strong. To turn the light on or off, just wave your hand about 2 inches over the top of the sensor. I really like that it's motion activated. On the front edge there's a touch slider to adjust brightness, and the button on the left toggles the module to color temperature where you can adjust it from cool to warm light or a mixture of both. The angle of the light can easily be adjusted at the joint, and you can see where the light is hitting my laptop. Adjusting the arm height will help with how far the light spreads. It also comes with a carrying case for protection when not in use. And here at night, you can see how the BenQ Laptop Bar is really helpful for lighting up the immediate area near the laptop. It's designed so it doesn't create glare on the screen. But I do find it helpful to reduce eye strain when working in a dark environment, or when you don't want to turn on too many lights in the room. I actually use one of BenQ's larger light bars on my desktop setup, but with the laptop bar, I can enjoy the same type of focus lighting anywhere I go. And here are some final notes. It does have an auto dimming mode, and I find that the color temperature setting is really nice to get the light exactly the way I want. And while I'm not sure if the magnetic patches are reusable, they can be removed by pulling the black tab underneath, similar to what you find on 3M wall hooks. The BenQ Laptop Bar is $139 and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.